up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, and welcome to another day of CURLSMAS. If you don't know what CURLSMAS is by now, I'm posting curly hair videos every single day leading up until Christmas. And if you haven't seen any of my other CURLSMAS videos, I'll link a playlist down below so you can get caught up, have a little marathon, grab a snack, all that good stuff, so you can, get caught up. But for today's video, as you could tell by the title, I'm going to be going through all of my hair growth favorite products, things like that. I know yesterday I had mentioned all of my hair length retention tips, so I figured this video might come in handy for those of you who kind of want to figure out what products may or may not be good for hair growth and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right in. So first up, we have the Shea Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Gentle Shampoo. What I really like about this shampoo is that it has that mintiness to it, or that stimulating tingliness to it to my scalp when I put it in my hair. Now you can pick any shampoo that has any type of mint, peppermint oil, or anything like that, and usually with those type of shampoos, what I really like about them, I mean this is just the one I have handy on me, but what I really like is because that minty feeling, I feel like once I start massaging it into my scalp, it's really helping promote and stimulate hair growth. Now I don't always use minty type of shampoos all the time, but when I am in the mood for that minty tingly feeling, this is the one I go for and that I really like. Now the next couple of products that I'm going to mention are all oils, and I like them all for different reasons. And the first is the Sunny Isle Lavender Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And what I really like about this one, I've used it for the longest out of any of the products that I'm mentioning. I've used this one the longest, and it's always just a tried and true for me. But what I really like about it is that the lavender in it, not only does the lavender kind of also help promote hair growth, but it also makes it from smelling super bad. Regular Jamaican Black Castor Oil, for me, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but the lavender one, it's just the best smelling one in my opinion. So definitely if you've tried Jamaican Black Castor Oil in the past and you haven't been a fan of the smell, try picking up this lavender one. It smells a hell of a lot better. Next I have castor oil. Now you don't need this one in particular. This one's just the NSYNC 217 castor oil, but what I really like about it is just the size. It's super compact. I can travel with it. It's not in a glass packaging like this Sunny Isle one. It's in a plastic packaging, so I don't have to worry about breaking it. But just like Jamaican Black Castor Oil, just regular castor oil, is also super great for hair growth, and I really like this one. Plus this one isn't too thick, nor is it too liquidy, so it's just that perfect consistency in my opinion. So yeah, I really like just regular castor oil as well. Now the next two oils that I'm gonna mention, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been using them as long as the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil, or as long as just regular castor oil, but I really do like them, hence why I'm mentioning them in this video. And the first is the Main Choice Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. So the first reason why I like this is the applicator. It has the pointed nozzle where you can apply it straight to your scalp. You don't have to apply it to your hands and then your scalp. And then I also really like the way it smells. It smells just like fresh OJ, really fresh orange juice, oranges, whatever. It smells perfectly citrusy. I like it a lot. Now one little tip that I will give you guys is this oil applies best in my opinion when your scalp is freshly clean. You don't have too much buildup on your hair. I noticed that for me, when I would go in with it and I had too much buildup on my hair or anything like that, my scalp would tend to feel a little bit itchy. So definitely recommend, if you can, try to just make sure that you don't have too much buildup on your scalp before you use this. Otherwise your scalp will itch, but I still really like it. It's really nice and liquidy. It doesn't feel too thick in my hair. I noticed that when I apply this oil to my hair, I can literally apply it and go about my day. It doesn't feel like it's weighing my scalp or my roots down too much. So it's a really nice consistency. Just make sure that you don't have too much buildup in your hair. And right here is the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and it's infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. Now this is a really new product. It is probably too new for me to include this in the video, but I've used it a couple times, and let me just tell y'all, I already know I love this stuff so much. One, I love the applicator. It makes me feel like I'm doing a science experiment or whatever. It reminds me of the serums that I use on my face and stuff like that. I just love the applicator. It makes it super easy if I just want to, drop it towards my edges or drop it all throughout my hair. Just like this one right here, it has that pointed applicator. This one makes it super easy with the dropper to apply it straight to where you want it to go in your hair. I can also apply it to my hands and, just massage it on my ends. It's super lightweight. It's a very liquidy, know, hair oil. It's not thick at all, which I like. I like a good balance of like thicker hair oils, which I use maybe right before the shower, and thinner ones, you know, as I'm like midway through my wash and go, or, you know, right before a wash day routine or something like that. But yeah, I really, really like this. Like I said, it is a brand new product, but even from the couple of times that I've used it, I like it a lot. And last but not least, I have this product right here. It's called Grow It Girl, and it's 100% natural treatment to promote fast, healthy hair growth, and it's by I Heart Mimi. Now, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. No one's paying me to talk about any of this or anything like that. I just genuinely really like all of these products, and I bought them all with my own money. But what I really, really enjoy about this product is that, one, it comes in like this perfect mister. Like, I just love a good spray oil or spray product. It makes application so easy for me, and it definitely smells more on like the natural side. It's probably not the most like universally pleasant smell in the world, but it does smell like super organic and super natural, but that doesn't bother me too much. I normally apply this to my hair right when I get out of the shower and my hair is still wet. I don't apply it all throughout my hair. I mostly concentrate it towards my roots, but yeah, I really like it. I've been using it since the beginning of the summer, and it works super well. And even though I use it, you know, every time when I get out of the shower, I still have a decent amount left. Like, a little bit goes a long way. So you definitely get a lot of bang for your buck. But yeah, those are basically my favorite hair growth products that I've been loving at the moment. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed and you have any other product recommendations that you love for hair growth, definitely let me know down below. And I will say that these products, like not one of these products alone will make your hair grow to the floor, but they do work, in my opinion. I think that they work fairly well. It does take a while anytime you use any of these hair products to really notice a big difference, but I really do like them. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to comment the word growth down below, just because, you know, these are all my favorite hair growth products. But yeah, comment the word growth down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I will love you if you do. I won't hate you if you don't, but I will love you if you do. And be sure to share this with a friend as well. But thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace.